Today we have a soldering third hand. It's just a base station that can help hold electronics while you solder them. So we're going to open this up. This is from Amazon. It's a Kotto third hand soldering tool PCB holder. It's got magnetic bases, adjustable arms, and this is what it is here. So we're going to open this up and take a look at it. The reason I bought this was because of this. This burnt out. It's a CE Smart Home smart plug, and this thing got more than 10 amps ran through it. It's only rated for 10 amps, and I believe a fuse blew, so we're going to see if we can open that up and replace it, and this will be good to do that. Okay, so some pretty simple instructions came with it. Comes with a bunch of clips. Clip ends, feet, and these are the magnetic arms. So they bend pretty decently, and they've got magnets on the end. And then there's a base plate under here that these will magnetically attach to. So let's get all this stuff out of here and take a look. The magnets are seemingly pretty strong. They stick to each other pretty good. But that's magnet to magnet. Ooh, magnet to magnet. We'll see how well these stick to the metal base plate, which is what we want to be able to hold up our electronics. Okay, so let's get all this stuff out of here. We'll put it together. Okay, so there's our base plate. Ooh, pretty thick metal. It is quite hefty. That's a steel plate for sure. I thought out of all of the things that would not be very good on this thing, it would be the base plate. I think I paid, I'll have to double check. I think I paid $30 for this. Yeah, 26 Canadian dollars for this thing. So let's see how strong these. One arm can for sure hold this up. It's got a good amount of weight to it, magnetic wise. So you would stick these arms on here. Out of focus range, but you kind of get the point. You would stick these on here with your clips and be able to hold up your electronics. Let's get rid of this box. So all of these clips here have a threaded end on them. and they thread onto the ends of these arms. Now, the ends of these arms have a threaded thumb screw tip on them, but that doesn't turn. I'm guessing you have to take the whole arm off to be able to get a good grip on that. And also right away I've noticed come on, focus. That the alligator clip here, right here, has a hex shape so that you can put like a wrench on, or maybe some pliers to be able to grip it well enough to tighten it onto here really good. Okay, so we'll add a couple clips here. And we'll see if we can hold something up. And I guess these little rubber ends, they go onto the nose of the clip so that whatever you're grabbing doesn't get damaged if you need that. Interesting. Maybe I'll do 2 of them with the rubber clips and 2 of them without the rubber clips. The alligator clips seem to be decent quality. They're not flimsy in any means. I've had ones that are far flimsier than this. Definitely. Yeah, pretty decent. Oops, I don't want this one on here. I'm going to do 2 with and 2 without. And it looks like it comes with 2 spare alligator clips. So I've got 2 extras here. Okay, so we can go ahead and move some stuff around, clip that in there, and that holds that up. Awesome. I think I will like this. So let's get these rubber feet attached to the bottom. A little hole here. I would imagine maybe if you wanted to mount this plate on something, but there should be another hole if you wanted to mount it. That's kind of through the sticker, so I'm not sure what that's for. I don't think I see anything in the manual indicating what it's for. Yeah. So there's a couple different ones. There's a large plate, small plate. Some star shapes, some U shape, and a desk mount bench one. That one would be interesting for my little workspace that I have. Probably work out pretty good. But we have this one, and this is the one that we're going to use. So we'll flip that over and we'll add some feet. I'm just going to go freehand into the corners. And now it's off the ground. It's easier to pick up than when it's flat touching there. Nice soft rubber feet. And this will work out really well when we try and fix this guy. So I've tried to pry this out of here. This, I'm pretty sure, just pops out this way. We'll take a look inside once I get this open. I think it's epoxied shut, but I'm pretty sure it's close to coming out. Maybe we need a better clip. So it can hold up a little plug pretty easily. Smart plug. And it's stiff enough that it's not going to move around too much. Once we get the board out of here, we can put a couple clips on and we'll have two hands available to solder if we need to, or desolder stuff. So pretty cool. That's the Kotto third hand soldering station, or soldering station, however you want to say it. Soldering. I'm pretty happy with it. These magnets are better than I expected them to be. The plate is better than I expected it to be. And the alligator clips are better than I expected them to be, especially for something that cost me $26. Thanks for watching.